Hey Sherry, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do an extremely late update on my rolling project 10 pan. I know I'm late this month with it, but you know what? It is what it is. I have a bunch of totes behind me now on my built-in dresser in my bedroom because it's my Christmas decorations that I had to get out of Mike's daughter's basement. So we're just going to ignore that mess because it's just here in the bedroom and I really don't care. So if you guys want to see what progress that I made on my rolling project 10 pan, then stay tuned for the video. Hey guys, so I have all my totals here and we're just going to go through the products one by one. I'm going to read them off this book and show you the progress on them. So the first is my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which I'm trying to use up this year. And as you can see, there is quite some progress on that. I'm about halfway through. So this came in at, last month it was 94 grams. This month it's 93. So I only used a gram, but every little bit counts, right? The next is my Fenty lip gloss, my Fenty Heat. I haven't been wearing this as much because I've been wearing other lip products. So you can see windowing here. It's the same as last month. 33 grams. I really don't know if I'm going to get through this, but with the holiday season coming up, possibly. We'll see. We'll see what I can do with that. The next product is my HEMPZ lotion. Now, the bottle for that is thrown out because I've been using so much of it. So, it's already thrown away in the garbage. Mike threw it out, so I put it in this container. It was 233 grams. Now, it's 121 grams. And I'll show you guys how much is left in there. So that's what I have left of that HEMPZ lotion. So that should be out of the collection by the end of the year. The next product in here is Too Faced Concealer. There was really no progress on that this month. I haven't used it that much, so it's still weighing the same as last month. So 25 grams still. The next product is my setting spray, which I'm happy to say is gone. I used the last little bit today. So this will be rolling out. So there's another empty for this year. The next product is my Olaplex. This was, I didn't use it this month at all. So it was 31 last month. It's 31 this month. So we'll try to get that finished up by the end of the year. The next product is my Mack powder. This probably won't be finished because you have to use very little because I only use it for setting under my eyes. So this is still 50 grams. I don't know if a lot of that is the packaging or, you know, I don't think, you don't really use that much. So a lot of it has to do with the packaging, but you can see a line in there. So whatever, I'll just keep trucking on it, see what I can do. The next product is my Pore Tinted Moisturizer. Gone. Gone. Glad to have this out because this was getting older. It was actually expired, but it wasn't breaking me out, so I still used it. So in place of that, I'm actually going to roll in a fragrance. I'm trying to give me some gimme products for the end of the year since it's almost, you know, it's mid-October right now. So I'm trying to give me some gimme products. The label's torn off this, but this is Coconut Candy Apple from Bath & Body Works. So I want to try to use this up by the end of the year, and I think I should be able to do that. I think. We'll see. We'll see. So I already have those products marked in. Oh, so that is the... Oh, and for the setting spray, I am rolling in another setting spray, which is right here. I'm going to roll in. This is another Give Me. This is the Pore Fessional Super Setter from Benefit. It's just a mini size, but I want to give me some gimme products for the end of the year, right? So those are rolling in. So the body spray is weighing in at 164 grams to start off with, and the Pore Fessional is 28 grams to start off with. And then my last two products in my project pan, my rolling project 10 pan, is the Wu Mascara, which it takes a lot to use up mascara. I think, again, it's the packaging. It still weighs 21 grams like it did last month, but it's the only mascara I'm using, so I should be able to use it up. And then last but not least is my Elf Camo Powder. And this was 62 grams last month and 61 this month. So I have been using some of that up. So that is my rolling project 10 pan update for this month with at least I got 2 rollouts, right? I don't know if I'm going to hit my 24 products for 2024. I do have other products that I used up, but they weren't in this project, so they don't count. But I'll try to get as close as I can. I only got a couple months left, so we'll see what I can do. But, you know, every little bit of using up your makeup counts, because it only lasts for so long, especially stuff like foundations and mascaras. Foundations usually only have a shelf life for like 6 months to a year, and mascaras are like 3 to 6 months. So those are things that you gotta use up quite quickly. I can't talk today. It's been a while since I sat down and did one of these videos. Same with primers. Some primers could go off pretty quick too. Like the shelf life on this probably says, I had this for a couple years. My friend Jacqueline got it for me for Christmas one year. Jacqueline takes notes on my videos because I mentioned how I think I tried a sample of this and a cleansing balm from Clinique, and she bought me the full sizes, so that was awesome. Thank you, Jacqueline. But yeah, it's time, you know, it's time to use it up now, because it's been around for a couple of years in my collection. So I'm about halfway there. So if I don't finish up by the end of the year, it'll be close in the beginning of the new year. Anyway, I'm rambling now. That is my Project Rolling 10 Pan update for this month. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Did you guys finish up anything up this month? Let me know down below. I hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye, everyone.